Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. He's offered all possible help, hoped that India and Pakistan will comprehensively fight terror and root it out. He requested all schools to observe a 2-minute silence, which these students have been doing. And let me take you straight across to headlines today's Smita Sharma, who's standing by at the APJ school in Noida. These little children, they feel the pain, they feel the agony of the little children of Army Public School in Peshawar, Smita.
Absolutely, Gaurav. You know, there is that sense of mourning here and loss here. They're very young children. And the big question really being asked is, what if it was us? What if it is us tomorrow? What if it was our teacher who was burnt? You know, these kids, they have just maintained the 2 minutes of silence. In fact, are you aware what happened in Pakistan? What happened? Do you know that there was something that really bad happened in Pakistan? You just maintained silence for it. Can you tell us? Do you like coming to school?
Yes.
And will you like it if people were to, ask you to check your bags, to check everything that you carry? Will that stop you from coming to school?
No.
You know, when security guards come and ask people, who are you, do you like that? Or do you think that,
No.
you don't like that? You like coming to school?
Yes.
And are you aware what happened in Pakistan?
The children are killed by the people of Pakistan.
Right, by some very bad people. Can you tell us, you just maintained a 2-minute silence. What was the message that your school principal gave you?
Sir gave the message that the children were killed for the main reason of the army, and it was very bad, and it was very bad to say.
When you see so much of hatred around you, what do you feel? What is your message to people who are spreading hatred?
It's really bad that they kill children because of they're going to join army, so they're killing them. So they should not kill children. They should not give fear to the children.
Do you want to be free, just free in a sense where it's a free world, you don't have to be afraid of anything? Do you want that is how the world should be?
Yeah, there should not be people killing each other ruthlessly. People should maintain peace and harmony in the world,
right,
so that we can enjoy our life.
Ma'am, if I can have just one quick word from you, is it really possible to beef up security in schools, to ensure that every parent who comes in undergoes security checks, or does this really add to your security constraints and challenges as well?
Definitely, it would add a lot of constraint from our side also, because school should not be targeted at any cost. That we have children over here and we want to groom them into a complete human being where they are free from all kind of fears.
Right.
So in case if the parents are walking to us and they are sharing such kind of a thing that they are undergoing a security check, they will share it at home, and that is giving a wrong message to our children also.
Right. So, just one last word if I can have from the principal. Sir, are you going to now put in additional measures for your school here?
Definitely, whatever is best possible for this school, we are going to look into that. And as you can see already, the security guards, whosoever that we have in this school, especially during the assembly time, especially when the children are outside the classrooms, in the ground, we had to take extra measures.
Right. India, of course, is not in the same place as Pakistan, but as we have seen, Gaurav, from Sydney to Peshawar, terror connects lives today. There is really not very few mornings where you wake up and you don't hear stories of bloodshed, of innocent lives lost. So clearly, all these innocent faces here in the school ground also expressing their pain and solidarity with all those young children who were killed mercilessly and in cold blood yesterday in Pakistan.
And clearly, for Pakistan, the writing is on the wall. Smita, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.